Hey guys, today we're going to dive deep into the captivating world of attraction and explore the secrets to making any girl you desire become irresistibly attracted to you. You might be surprised to know that the key to making someone absolutely obsessed over you is getting that special someone to invest emotionally in you. We're not talking about manipulating or deceiving anyone. It's about building a connection so strong that they can't help but be attracted to you. Now you might be wondering, what exactly does it mean to make someone emotionally invest in you? Emotional investment means getting someone to dedicate their time, energy, and effort to thinking about you, and how much their emotions are influenced by you. It's like being on their mind rent-free. Guys, you gotta understand that the more someone thinks about you, cares about you, and feels emotions because of you, the more they are attracted to you. Now the big question is, how do you spike their emotional investment in you? We've got 5 game-changing tricks up our sleeve to make that happen. And trust me, these are golden nuggets you won't want to miss. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey of attraction like never before. If you're ready to up your dating game, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and let's dive into these 5 tricks together. Now, what's this number 1 trick that'll have them hanging on your every word? It's called polarization. And let me tell you, it's a game of pushing people to the extreme end of loving you or hating you. You see, too many guys are playing it safe, staying right in the middle. They're so afraid of offending anyone that they become, well, a bit bland. But here's the secret sauce. The only way to find out who's real, who's genuinely attracted to you, is by pushing the boundaries. Show those extreme versions of your personality and your viewpoints. Because when you reveal your bold, unique viewpoints, you'll do one of 2 things. You'll either have people saying, "Wow, I love that guy. I adore his takes." Or you'll have some folks saying, "Wait, I can't stand him." But here's the magic. Whether they love you or hate you, they're attracted to you. You've left an unforgettable mark. Remember, by pushing those boundaries and revealing your unique self, you've got the power to captivate and connect like never before. So are you ready to turn the attraction game on its head with this number 1 trick? If you are, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and let's unveil the second psychological trick that will make you irresistibly attractive to the ladies. Guys, it's all about being relatable. And trust me, this is the key to capturing hearts. Picture this. If you're just like that person, they'll think about you more because they can put themselves in your shoes. Being relatable creates a connection that's second to none. But here's the real gem. Not only do you need to be relatable, but you also need to be a step ahead, especially in the things that truly matter. This is where the magic happens. When you're similar yet slightly ahead, they become emotionally invested in you. They think, he's just like me, but he's done something different. Let's dive into an example. Imagine a young black kid walking down the street. He sees an older white millionaire. He might think, well, that's interesting. He's a millionaire. But what if that same black kid sees a young black millionaire? Now, which one do you think he can relate to more? Of course, it's the young black millionaire, not the older white one. The young black millionaire is in that kid's thoughts. He's the one who's more attractive because he seems similar, relatable, and inspiring. Remember, when you connect on a relatable level and show them you're on the same path, you've got the key to winning hearts and sparking attraction. The third thing you can do to get people attracted to you is to get them to open up. As the saying goes, communication is key. So let's explore why this is so powerful. You see, relationships are all about connection and emotional depth. If you want to make someone more attracted to you, it's essential to get them to open up emotionally. When you create an environment where someone feels safe to open up emotionally, something magical happens. They start to share their deeper thoughts, experiences, and emotions with you. And when that happens, attraction grows. You might wonder, why does opening up matter so much? Well, it's simple. When you open up to someone, you start thinking about them more. You begin to obsess over them. Why? Because by sharing your experiences, feelings, and maybe even traumas, you're allowing a genuine connection to form. So how can you make someone feel comfortable enough to open up to you? It all starts with trust. When someone trusts you, they are more likely to open up, and here's how you can build that trust. Guys, you have to be a good listener. Show that you genuinely care about what they have to say. Make eye contact, nod in agreement, and ask follow-up questions. This shows you value their thoughts and emotions. Share your own experiences. Opening up is a 2-way street, and when you reveal parts of yourself, it encourages them to do the same. Vulnerability begets vulnerability. And now let's get into trick number 4. It's quite unconventional, but it's very important. Guys, when you are trying to attract a girl that you love, it's necessary to create an enemy. Yes, you heard it right, an enemy. But don't worry, we're not talking about a real enemy. We're talking about identifying a common adversary. The enemy here is the modern addictions, the system that's conditioned us to be weak, the social media companies, the porn industry, and platforms like OnlyFans. These are the adversaries that you and your potential partner can rally against. So why create an enemy? It's because it triggers a fascinating psychological phenomenon called in-group and out-group dynamics. When you identify a common enemy, it automatically places you and the person you want to attract on the same side. It's like you're both fighting a war against the same foe. This taps into our primal and animalistic instincts, making people emotionally invested in your cause. This emotional investment is what brings you closer. As you both fight against the perceived enemy, you'll naturally grow emotionally connected. You'll have shared goals, shared values, and a shared sense of purpose. This connection can lead to deeper conversations, shared experiences, and stronger emotional ties. It's incredible how having a common enemy can unite people and create lasting bonds. The fifth trick that you can do to make a girl attracted to you is to stay mysterious. Have you ever met someone who spills every detail about themselves right from the start? They talk and talk, and before you know it, there's no mystery left. Well, today we're here to tell you that maintaining a level of mystery is the key to making people attracted to you. You see, a lot of people, especially guys, lack the confidence to keep things mysterious. They share everything about themselves, and in doing so, they unknowingly sabotage their own intrigue. When you meet someone new, whether it's a girl or anyone else, consider this. Are you the type of person who just talks and talks, revealing everything? Or do you maintain a level of mystery? The magic lies in keeping some things to yourself. If you don't reveal everything about yourself, it piques the curiosity of the other person. They want to piece you together, like a puzzle. They want to figure you out. When you remove the mystery, the intrigue fades away. It becomes clear, predictable, and frankly a little boring. But here's the real deal. Girls are attracted to those who stay mysterious. The allure of the enigmatic persona is strong. It keeps the other person wanting to learn more about you, making them obsessed with the idea of discovering your hidden depths. So remember, don't be like most guys who spill everything. Embrace the power of mystery and watch as your attractiveness soars. If you found this video valuable, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. And stay tuned for more deep dive videos on the fascinating world of attraction. Keep them guessing and keep them coming back for more. Until next time, stay enigmatic and irresistible. See you soon.